Let's start by a very simple basic. How do you recognize people with chronic fatigue syndrome or fibromyalgia? If people come to you and they're complaining that they have widespread pain, they have pain in many parts of the body, and or if they say, "Doc, I'm exhausted," to find out if they have fibromyalgia, all you have to do is ask them one question. Can you get a good night's sleep? If they say, "Oh yeah, I can sleep just fine, no problem," they don't have fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome. They have another cause of their fatigue. It's really that straightforward. And we'll talk about why that is in just a little bit. But basically, if they're complaining of fatigue or widespread pain, what question are you going to ask them? This may be on the board questions. What question will you ask? Can I get a good night's sleep? And that will identify right off the bat. It's that simple to make the diagnosis.